Warm welcome to Goldwell's Academy. Welcome to the Joyful Learning channel. Today we are going to learn about the NCERT portion of 9th standard, chapter 4, exercise 4.1. Kindly subscribe the channel, click the bell icon to get all my notifications. The first problem. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So here the variables given are 2. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Take the cost of a notebook to be rupees X and that of a pen to be rupees Y. So let me take our question. From our question, let X be the cost of your notebook. Y be the cost of pen. In terms of rupees it is. So cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. In your question you can see the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So a cost of a notebook equal to 2 times cost of your pen. So notebook cost is represented with X and pen is represented with Y. So X is equal to 2Y. So X minus 2Y is equal to 0 is the linear equation. Let me go for the next problem. Express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the value a, b, c in each case. So there will be a linear equation given for all the subdivisions. Among the subdivision we have to find the variable of a, b and c. Now look upon the first one, x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. From this, it is in the form of ax plus by plus c. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 by 5 and c is equal to 10, which means that the variable represent along with the x value, y value and the constant is c. Next one. The equation is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The given equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. So this can be written as a equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to, here it is in the term of plus value. If it is goes this side, that is the LHS side, it becomes minus. So always our equation will be in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 9.35 bar. Next subdivision. Again, the equation will be represented in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So given equation is minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Let me take all to one side. So it becomes 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Now we can take the variable a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 6. Coming to our next subdivision, we'll see x is equal to 3y is given to us. So x minus 3y plus 0 equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 0. Next one. Next equation is 2x equal to minus 5y. Let you all take these variables to one side. So 2x minus 5y become plus 5y plus 0 equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 0. Next one. 3x plus 2 equal to 0 is our equation. 3x, the x is not, y is not given here. So take it as 0, y plus 2 equal to 0. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 2 here. Next one. Y minus 2 equal to 0 is given. So no x is here. So 0x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. So a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 2. Next we go for the next one. 5 equal to 2x. 2x plus 0y minus 5 equal to 0. Here always x will be represented with the plus side. So take this variable 5 to that side. RHS side it becomes minus 5. equal to 0. So A is equal to 2, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to minus 5. Thank you for watching this channel. If you like this channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more and more updating videos. Thank you. Thank you once again to everyone.